and welcome back to yoga. My name is Shannon and I'm so glad that you're here joining me again. Today we're doing a tutorial on Vrksasana, tree. So as always, do what you can. Begin to find center and balance in all four directions, front, back, left, and right. Spread your toes and send them down gently like roots into the earth. Try to feel those outside edges of your feet from the pinky to the heel. And also try to feel a line from your big toe to the heel, imagining that you could gently press down into that edge of the arch. From the center of the foot, the arch of the foot, that space kind of lined up with the ankle bone. See if you can feel a lifting and a rising sensation up your shins, up the fronts of your thighs, engaging your quadriceps, a tucking under in the tailbone, a soft engagement in that space below your navel, a lift in the chest and head, a softening in the shoulders and arms. Take a deep breath. Let it all go, being mindful not to lock out your knees, keeping them micro bent. Slowly open your eyes, find your still point, and shift into your left foot, bringing your right foot into tree. So our most supported tree is going to be the ball of the foot and all 5 toes. You could also do this with your entire back resting against a wall, or just one hand, fingertips on the wall or the back of a chair or table, whatever you have handy. If you feel comfortable and stable here, maybe try the tip of your big toe. So the arch is kind of lined up with your ankle. Keep finding center, eyes on your still point, breathing in and out. If that feels safe and stable, then maybe try the calf. So the heel is below your knee and your big toe is pointing down towards the ankle and ground. This might be where you want to pause and open up. You can open in any of those other choices as well, just finding center and balance. If balance feels stable and safe, you might be able to take that right foot onto your left inner thigh and gently press your inner thigh and foot into each other. Your right knee is out to the side, your hips are level, left to right, and also up and down. So we don't have one hip lifted up above the other, we've got the pelvis level, top to bottom and front to back. When you're ready, release. Give that standing leg a circle. Breathe out. And then we'll try the other side. Finding center, spreading your toes, take a deep breath. Relax your knees so they're not locked, even though you've got that length from your feet to your head. Begin to shift into your right foot and bring your left foot into tree. Maybe going through all the variations, maybe going right to the one that you know works for you. Finding your level of challenge today that's stable, safe, and comfortable. That Goldilocks spot. Not too much, not too little, just right. So again, you want to make sure that one hip isn't popped out to the side, the standing leg hip. And we want to make sure that the bent knee hip isn't lifted up. Choosing what you can, being mindful to avoid gripping with your toes, maybe even lift your toes and try balancing there. Other options you can play with, being mindful to stay off the standing knee, are swaying in the wind, turning a little bit with eyes on your still point or letting your eyes move as well. And another option to play with is closing your eyes halfway or all the way. These are all things that can challenge balance. Again, be mindful of your knees. Try to keep weight off the knee. We want to be above or below. If you're slipping, go below. And be mindful to keep a little micro bent in that standing leg. Breathe your way through. Loosen up your joints when you're done. Thank you so much for joining me today for this short tree tutorial, Vrksasana. I hope you enjoyed it, and I do hope we get to practice together again soon. Have a wonderful day.